In this video, I'm going to show you how to display PDF in Wix. Unfortunately, since Wix doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked to the link, this is the page that you're going to see. From here, I want you to go to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then on the right hand side, underneath the tool section, about halfway down, you will find PDF embed right here. I want you to click on that, and that will take you to the PDF viewer widgets page. From here, I want you to click on create a widget for free, and then you'll be taken down to the template section. Now in that case, since you want to display a PDF on a Wix website, you want to go for the embed PDF file. That way, once you upload the PDF to the widget, this is what you're going to get. People are going to be able to preview the widget as you can see it right here. Now bear in mind that the design can be changed a little bit, and I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. But for now, simply go ahead and choose this template right here. By the way, if you want to display any other PDF, so for example, if you want it to be like a list like this, feel free to explore these templates to the left hand side here. These are all fully functional on the right hand side as well. You can see what they will feel like once you add them on your Wix website. But in my case, since we want to display the PDF, like I said, I'm going to go for this one right here. Once you've selected the template that you want to go with, go ahead and click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen. Then you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where we can upload the PDF to the widget itself. And this is also the place where we can make some small customizations to the overall template to make it feel a little bit more like our own. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and add the content. So the first thing here is the widget title. Now in my case, I'll just say hello like that just to show you what it will look like. This is where the title goes. Of course, you can change this a little bit in the layout section and the appearance after if that's what you want to do. What you want to do here is go ahead and add the file. That's the most important part. This is where you add the PDF file to the widget. So you can either do it through a file by uploading it directly to the widget, or you can simply add a link. Let's just say that it is uploaded on Google Drive or some other platform like that. In my case, I'm going to stick with the default PDF here, so I'm not going to upload or add any links to this particular section. It's all very self-explanatory, by the way. It's very, very easy to set up. Once you've uploaded or linked the PDF file to the widget, on the left-hand side, you will see layout and appearance. This is some customizations that you can take advantage of to further customize the template. So for example, if you go to layout right here, at the moment we have the file viewer widget, which is what I'm going to use personally because we want to display the PDF on our Wix website without having the user click anywhere. Alternatively, you can also go for a grid or a list like that. Then at the bottom here, you also see file icon, preview image, download settings, and width and height of the actual widget. Now, if you go to, let's just suppose preview image here, we can make this bigger or smaller depending on how big you want it to be. Now in my case, I'm going to leave it as it is by default. And then if you want people to be able to download the PDF itself, then you can go to download settings here and either enable or disable, and you'll see this download button right here. Then you can also change the button, the name of the button if that's what you want to do, or the actual text within the button rather. Then at the bottom here, you will see appearance. So this is where you can change the colors and the fonts, as well as add custom JavaScript and CSS if you wanted to. So in my case, I'm going to change the color here. The widget title, I want it to be, let's just say orange like this. And then the name, which is the PDF name right here, I'll make this blue like that. Then I'm going to click on done. As you can see, it's all very easy. I'm not going to go for every single customization they can make here. I'll leave this up to you to explore. But once you're ready with customizing your PDF widget, go ahead and click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. And then your widget will be saved up. Then if you take it to this page, which is where we need to publish the widget. So in the top right corner of the screen, I want you to click on publish. As you can see in my case, it's already published because my button is grayed out. But in your case, it won't be. It will be a green publish button. Click on it, and then you'll automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we are using through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. Do keep in mind that it does come with Elfsight branding. So if you want your widget to be completely ad-free, or if you want to look any of the other functionalities, such as have more than one widget from Elfsight on your Wix website, or if you plan to get more than 200 views per month, then you can obviously go for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different options that you can choose from, and if you decide to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, go ahead, choose the plan that works best for you, and then you will automatically be taken to the page where you can copy the code for your PDF widget. It will look just like this. So from here, click on copy code, and then let's head over to Wix so we can start integrating it. Now, as you can see, I'm already in my Wix website. So what you want to do here is go to your Wix editor and go to the page and the section where you want your PDF added to. In my case, I want it on the home page right here in this section. So I'm actually going to move this image to the right here to make space for it. And once you've highlighted or selected the section where you want to add your PDF viewer, all you have to do is click here on search in the top right corner of the screen and then search for HTML just like that, and then click on embeds right here. Then on the left hand side you see this window underneath popular embeds. I want you to click on embed HTML, and what that's going to do is add this HTML block to your Wix website. So from here, make sure that you select code and then simply paste the code from Elfsight in this box here. Then click on update, and there it is. Here is my PDF file on Wix website. Obviously, go ahead and resize your widget accordingly so that it shows properly, as you can see, so you don't have these scrolling features right here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to display PDF in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.